Hello friend, welcome back to Diesel Mercedes YouTube channel. I have here today this 2007 Dodge Sprinter 2500 CRD, and this one needs few maintenance items. Some of the maintenance was done, some of it still needs attention. For example, on the rear, if you look at the vehicle, this is that red reflector. This one is in the good shape, but if we look on the other side, this one is completely broken off. I will say there are some remainings of that red, so hopefully this can be very easily switched with the new part. I was pleasantly surprised when I called Mercedes-Benz of Santa Rosa that they said, oh yeah, this is the part number, we have it in stock, the whole thing, and it's approximately only $10. So the part arrived, and let's go see how easy it is to replace it. Looking on the design of the new part, here are two tabs to put in somewhere, and here is that plastic part, the tab, which should hold it in. So I believe that's the right one, and if I wanna start, I will say I should start right here. And sure enough, the whole thing comes out, and I believe we are almost ready to install the new one. And I said almost ready because I always prefer to clean everything first. If there is a heavy debris or sand or something in this opening, that will be not cool to put it in, but that's enough of that. So let's see if I enter it right here, if it will nicely get seated on this side. And sure enough, you heard it, it's nicely in, and I believe that was success. Here you can see another detail of the new and old part, and I'm very excited because I'm closer to enjoying this incredible van. So I hope you find this video helpful and be subscribed. I will have way more about the Sprinters on this channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.